All right, so here's a look at this toilet. Now this is gonna be great for if you want it in a bathroom like it is here, or if you wanna have it in a bedroom and have it kind of bedside. This is gonna be perfect because it's got two different options, or like two different modes that you can put it in for either situation. So as you can see right now, it's basically set up for the bedroom. So it's gonna have this bucket here in the middle. It's also gonna come with a lid, which makes it really easy for you to go ahead and do cleanup. So once they're done, add the lid on there and lift this up, bring it with you. You could also put liners in here, which is gonna make it really easy for cleanup as well. And another thing I wanna mention is on the inside of this bucket, it doesn't have any grooves. So it makes cleaning up really easy to spray it down, clean it out, and wipe it down. Now the other configuration it's gonna have is this right here. Now let me pull it into the bathroom and I'll kind of show you how it's set up. It's already set up here, but it's really easy. All you gotta do is place it over the toilet just like that, and you're all set up. These rubber feet here on the ground are gonna make it nice and stable, and it's also gonna have adjustability. So right now it's on the highest setting, and you can kind of see there's gonna be some space in between here. So if they accidentally miss, you know, that's going to be extra cleanup for you. So having this splash guard right here is a big help. It's actually going to stop any overflow of anything going off to the sides. So if your person does need this to be a bit higher, maybe they don't have as much mobility to squat down, you don't have to worry that higher up means more mess. Now you've got your regular toilet seat right here. That's going to go right over the top. And then you also have your toilet seat cover. You also have this bar over here on the back. So some people like using these side handles to get down. Other people might want to grab back here and grab the bar. So you've got a little bit of options here when it comes to where to grab when sitting down. And you can see it's nice and comfortable, easy to sit down, and they even have these armrests which just make it nice to sit and be comfortable while going to the restroom. Again, it's really easy to use in both the bathroom and the bedroom. So if you take this off, there's going to be these two clips right here that you can press just like this, pull the seat forward. Then this part is going to swing down. You can pull the arms in, and there you go. Now it's basically flat. You can bring it into the bedroom. You could store it away in a closet. You could even bring it with you in the car, making it really easy to transport. So I love the fact that they actually made this really easy to collapse and then reopen up, because I know this is a product that a lot of people are going to be constantly moving around. So you're definitely going to want something that is easy to fold. So if you're looking for a really easy to use toilet, something that can work bedside and in the bathroom, plus it's really easy to fold up and bring with you, then I would definitely recommend picking one of these up and trying it out to see if it works for you.